welcome back to my channel. So in my last DIY video, I shared with you guys this farmhouse style elevated serving tray that I created with just Dollar Tree items. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love my farmhouse style lately, but I do love my glam. So if you're ever in my home, I kind of merge the two because those two styles I just love. So since I shared with you guys how I created a farmhouse style elevated serving tray, I decided to also create a kind of like a glam version one as well for all my glam lovers out there. So if you want to see how I created an elevated serving tray with a glam twist to it, then stay tuned to this video. So for the base of this board, I'm going to be using 3 of these long plaques that I found at Dollar Tree, and I had originally painted them white because I was going to use them for another DIY project, but decided to use them for this one instead. To attach the boards together, I'm going to use a combination of this Elmer's wood glue that I found at Dollar Tree and also the Dollar Tree adhesive glue that I've let you guys know in the past that works just as good as E6000 glue. And as I'm gluing the boards together, I'm going to be using binder clips to keep them secure together while the glue dries. To cover the board, I'm going to use this marble paper that I found at Walmart for about $4.94. Dollar Tree does have a variety of contact paper there, but I really wanted to use the marble paper because I just love the look of the marble. So that's why I decided to purchase it at Walmart. But if you want to stay within the Dollar Tree items, they do have plenty of beautiful contact paper at Dollar Tree. So for the legs of this tray, I'm going to be using these silver napkin rings that I found in the wedding section at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to attach them together using the adhesive glue as well. Now originally I was just going to use 2 attached to each other, but I decided I wanted this tray to be just as tall as the last tray that I made, the farmhouse tray that I shared with you guys. And so I decided to put 3 of the napkin rings together, but you can put as many as you want depending on how high you want this tray to be. To attach the legs, I'm going to use the adhesive glue again, but I'm also going to use my hot glue gun as well so I can get some fast drying time with this glue. And that is it, guys, for this Glam elevated serving tray. I really love how both the serving trays that I've created lately came out, the farmhouse one and also this Glam one, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as well. I do have some Christmas DIY videos coming soon, so stay tuned to my channel so that you don't miss all the new DIYs that are coming on my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.